Garapada State Park is located in Big Sur, California. You can find the entrance to the trail by a large metal barn. The trail runs along a creek. There's two trails that make up a loop. One is currently closed, which is the Rocky Ridge Trail, which offers some spectacular views, however, is still very nice and worth the hike. It's an out and back hike. It starts off more arid with a hillside filled with cactuses. At the beginning, the trail is quite flat. The trail runs through a valley of sorts. The creek, which falls along the trail most of the way, you will have to cross a few times. To avoid getting your shoes wet, you can hop along the rocks. As you continue along, it becomes more wooded as the trees become thicker. The trail becomes steeper as you get to the redwood area, where the environment becomes much more lush. This is personally my favorite part of the trail. It also offers some great shade. At certain points, there's steps. I wouldn't consider this trail to be roller stroller friendly. However, I think it's both good for beginners and I think it's nice enough for the advanced to appreciate. The trail here becomes quite steeper. It also offers some great photography opportunities. Here's some pictures I took while I was there. The trail doesn't take very long to hike, only about an hour to 2.5 hours depending on how fast you go. I would recommend going either during sunset or sunrise, as the heat of the afternoon won't be too strong. I would definitely recommend this trail.